To Royal Wood Flooring. We are in Paradise Valley, Arizona, where we just completed the wood floor installation project. Today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020, and we do have a previous video with all flooring. And as you can see, this is the new flooring where we did a custom wood inlay border. Beautiful. And if you look back to one of our other previous videos, you will see when we had the demo done, and that was a sunken living room at one time. The homeowner decided to fill it, and you can see very nice detailed work by Royal Wood Flooring. Give us a call today. We did do the baseboards too. We installed them. The paint will be coming to caulk them and paint them. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. Let's go ahead and close these doors. Big, beautiful wooden doors. Very nice. There you go. The homeowners did move in. They are home. So as you can remember, there was a big bump there at one time. They had a little garden. And they took it out, we grinded it, leveled it. Let's check it out. Look at that, shall we? Alright. As you can see, well, wood floors are installed in here. We did do a nice job on making it flush with the tile. As you can see, look at that, nice and flush. No transition. I knew when I met you, an adventure was going to happen. So that's a baby sleeping. Sorry, never mind, let's go somewhere else. That's the baby sleeping. So here we are where they did new tile in the laundry. You can see, once again, Royal Wood Flooring did a great job on doing no T-molding, no transition. You can call us again, 602-446-2613 for all your wood flooring needs. Let's go ahead and take a look back here. This is the master bedroom. And, well, no lights, but you can see that's a fireplace, and we do have a video that we've done it before. Well, I cannot get these lights on. There we go. So if you look at one of our previous videos, you remember the fireplace in the same corner, but now with a brand new floor that we have installed. See, there's a nice huge hallway. Kids are gonna love rollerblading down that wooden floor. And here we are. We did ask the homeowner what he would like, and he said go ahead and turn a piece over. So we made it look like a border. As you can see, no T-molding. Nice remodeled bathroom. We didn't do the bathroom. Another contractor did it. And this turned out very nice. Very luxurious. Hey everybody, give us a call today. Royal Wood Flooring, 602-446-2613. That is a nice shower. Walk in. Look at that. You got all the bells and whistles. You got the rain head. You got the regular head of the shower. So let's go and see a little bit more of the hallway. And I think that is Winnie the Pooh. Yep. Alright. I don't know what that was about, but let's keep going. Let's see the kitchen, the living room.
Sounds good.
It turned out really, really nice. And there's the inlay by the front door entryway.
Oh, thanks, sir.